Come test drive 2016 Caravan. The Dodge Caravan invented the minivan, offering an especially useful amount of room in a surprisingly easy-to-drive package. The Caravan quickly became the new synonym for family transportation and spawned competitors from all sides, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.